Good morning, welcome to another vlog on this channel. For those who don't know, my name is Siwe, also known as Baker Like Anita, and I am the founder and baker at Zimdodi Bakery. I basically work from home, so I thought I should show you what a day in my life is like. I'm still recovering from a bit of a flu since the season is changing, but I feel a little bit stronger today. So I'm also actually a full-time master's student. I'm doing my master's in urban studies at Wits, and so a bit of my day will also hopefully include some schoolwork. But mainly just today I need to get more supplies, but also just home stuff also, so a bit of my groceries as well, and then I have to bake a cake for a coffee shop that I'm actually supplying with cakes. It's going really well. It's like the third time now they've ordered the cakes from me and been getting really cool reviews from them, so it's quite exciting. So I have to bake that cake. I just realized I hadn't wiped my lens, but anyway, I just had a really delicious smoothie, so I wanted to share what it was. So that's what it looks like. It's one pear, and then there's oats and banana and moringa and dates, my favorite fruits right now. Hey, take a trip with me to the beauty supply. I'm basically halfway through my tasks for the day. So now I have to go into the CBD in Jersey. To this other African shop. I need to get some sorghum flour, cassava flour, you know the vibes, for more of my baking, but also especially so that I can test out the premix packs that I want to do. I have the packaging, so I just need to start testing out how much fits in which packaging. So I'm still here, and the journey continues.
Banda. Bando. Banda.
So I made it back from a crazy world out there. This is why I just stay home. Like, it's mad. Also, it's because it's a Friday, and town is just really busy on Fridays, most days, but on Fridays especially. Almost got into a car accident. Someone was just not looking where they're going. They almost bumped me. I'm a little bit traumed, but it's okay. I'm gonna start unpacking now and carry on with my day. I'm already tired, so I think I might end the day here, honestly. Oh yeah, I'm also making this bread. Been using these bread baskets for some time now. They're really amazing. Love me some sourdough, so I'm gonna make that, bake the bread, and just make a sandwich for lunch. This is all the food that I got, and these are just my jars that I'm gonna fill. So I have like lentils, I have some nuts, salt, these are flax seeds, one thing that bores me about all of this that I'm doing right now is all of the single-use plastic that I feel like we are all just inevitably, like there's no way of avoiding it somehow. Like you take your own grocery bags and everything, but somehow you end up having to buy things in a plastic that you're not going to use again. So yeah, I just hope one day I can have, in my bakery, I can have like a refillery pantry where people can just come with their jars and refill like nuts and seeds and I don't know, flour, whatever I can supply, because this is honestly, I hate it. This was my first time buying mung beans, so I'm quite keen to, yeah, I guess taste them and see how long they cook. And yeah, but that's the thing about being a vegetarian, you get to try out new things, like almost, yeah, anytime you give yourself the chance to, you have something new to explore. So I've got those mung beans, I've got black eye beans, I've got injubu, I've got, yeah, all sorts of beans, man. Bean, pointies. Thank you so much for watching this video, day in my life as a baker. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.